Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to export your domains. Log into your panel and navigate to the side menu. Click on the Domains menu item. Under the domain groups, find your domain group and navigate into it. You can export all domains by clicking on the Export button, or you can export selected domains only. For this video, we will export all domains. In the Export dialog window, you can choose which fields you want to export, how you wish to sort the output and the output format. There's a large list of fields that you can export. For this demonstration, we will choose domain, domain group name, IP address, software, software username and software password. Next, we just wish to sort the list by domain name. The CSV data format will work just fine for us. Once done, click on the Export button and you will see the export results in the new window. That's it. Piece of cake. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.